it's me, Anne, your TikTok girly, and for today's video is gonna be a little different. I'm kicking off a new series where we feature sex toy recommendations based on design, special features, or even by brand. For our first episode, we're going all out with the kilig because all the toys we'll be talking about are heart shape. I'll walk you through what each one does and give you a quick demo for you to see them in action. All the links also down in the description box so you can check them out. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with this adorable clit SAKURA from Satisfyer, the cutie heart. As the name suggests, it comes in a charming heart-shaped design. But don't be fooled by the looks, it's not just about aesthetics. It's also built for pleasure and function. This toy is actually 2-in-1. On the one side, you've got the air pulse stimulator powered by Satisfyer's signature air pulse technology. This part gives you a contactless sucking sensation that mimics oral sex, targeting the clitoris with 11 different intensity levels. You'll find the soft suction opening right on one half of the heart. If you're not in the mood for air pulses, switch to the strong vibrations. You can use the other side of the heart to wrap along your clit, nipples, or any other external hot spots. There are 12 vibration patterns to explore, so it gives you a lot of variety. It's made from ultra soft silicone, features easy-to-press buttons, is fully rechargeable, and it's waterproof with IPX7 rating. Here's a quick walkthrough on how to use it. First, charge it fully, which usually takes 3 hours. You'll know it's ready once the indicator light stays steady. To use the air pulse function, press the opening gently on your clitoris and hold the power button for 2 seconds to turn it on. It will start at the lowest intensity. Press the same button again to cycle through the levels, or use the pulse button to bring it down. Want to use the vibration instead? Hold the wave icon button for 2 seconds, then tap it to scroll through the vibration modes. If you're new to sex toys and just starting to explore vibrators, don't worry. We've got the perfect vibrator for you. Look at this dainty beauty. It's heart-shaped, super cute, and fits right in the palm of your hand. This is the best-selling RIANNE Heart CLITORAL Vibrator. It features 10 different vibration modes, is featured body-safe silicone, and has a stunning champagne trim for a touch of elegance. It's also rechargeable, low noise, and splash-proof. Another highlight is the elegant packaging. If you're thinking of surprising a close friend at a bridal shower, this is such a fun yet classy gift. And if you're getting it for yourself, it also makes a lovely self-love treat. Its playful yet elegant heart shape doesn't scream sex toy, making it discreet enough to leave on your bedside table or bring in your travels. Here's how to use this toy. Press the power button to turn it on. Press the same button again to cycle through its 3 intensity levels and 7 vibration patterns. Enjoy by rubbing it anywhere on your body. When you're done, press and hold the power button until it powers off. If you want something that's more techy, then you'll love this next toy. The one I'm holding is also one of our best sellers, the Heartbeat app-controlled wearable vibrator. What makes this PANTY vibrator extra special is its charming heart-shaped design, not just on the main body but also in the glossy magnetic clip. It even comes in a stunning red color that matches the romantic vibe. Not only is this toy wearable, but it also comes with a remote control for hands-free fun. You can pair it with the Love Spouse app for more discreet play since you can control it on your smartphone. It also has 10 vibration modes to explore, and it's waterproof and whisper quiet. Here's a quick demo. First, detach the heart-shaped clit right here. While you're doing that, prep your underwear, as you'll want to place the main device right at the gusset of your undies. Then, snap the magnetic clip on the other side to keep the toy securely in place. To turn it on, use the remote or press the small pulse button on the main device. Once the toy is paired, you can switch vibration modes using the remote or through the Love Spouse app. If you're looking for another panty vibrator, the Caroline Panty Vibrator is worth checking out. While the main body has a sleeker build that is in shape like a heart, the magnetic clip still rocks that sweet heart design. It features 9 vibration patterns and 9 intensity levels, all controllable with the included remote. Plus, its specially curved body targets both clitoris and the vaginal opening, delivering more pleasure to your body. Like the other toys in this guide, this one also wrapped in velvet soft silicone and designed to be worn comfortably with your undies. It offers about 1 hour of runtime, has an IPX6 waterproof rating, and stays whisper quiet for discreet place. To get started, place the main device inside the gusset of your underwear, securing it with the magnetic heart-shaped clip on the outside. Adjust for comfort and you're good to go. Turn the toy on by pressing the heart button on the remote. Then, use the zigzag button to explore the vibration modes. If you want to stop, simply press the pause button at the bottom of the remote. Prefer using it by hand? You can long press the heart button on the toy itself to power it on. Short press to cycle through the modes, and long press again to turn it off. Here's another unique and heart-shaped toy from Satisfyer. The Satisfyer Perfect 3 is definitely something you don't see from other brands. It's because this one is finger vibrator and vibrating cock ring in one. This opening is incredibly flexible, so you or your man can easily slide it onto the penis. Covered in ultra soft silicone, this toy features 12 vibration modes, is whisper quiet, waterproof, and fully rechargeable. It's perfect for solo or partnered sex. To use this multi-function vibrator, first charge the device with the included cable. After that, you can either use it on the penis or on your finger. If you use it as a finger vibrator, slide your index and middle finger into the heart-shaped hole. Press the power button to turn it on. Press the same button again to cycle through the different modes. You can press the vibrating pad against various external erogenous zones like the nipples, clitoris, glands, and more. To use it as a cock ring, apply a water-based lubricant to your flaccid or semi-erect penis, then gently stretch the opening and slide your penis through. Keep it at the base. Turn on the vibration and proceed with the DID. Just a note, don't wear it for more than 20 minutes. Also, it will not fit those with above average girth. But that's fine. You can still use it during sex as a finger vibrator. If you want something other than clit suckers and vibrator, we've got an exquisite heart-shaped dildo just for you. What you're looking at right now is one of the best-selling glass dildos in our shop, the magical SAKURA glass dildo. It has an overall length of 8.2 inches, an insertable length of 6.5 inches, and a diameter of 1 inch. It's made from borosilicate glass, which is shatter resistant and can withstand extreme temperature and mild bumps. You can also heat them up with warm water or cool them down with ice water to enjoy the range of temperature play sensations. But what this truly makes this one stand out is its charming, whimsical design. Just look at the heart-shaped base, it's simply gorgeous. Using this toy is super straightforward, just like any regular dildo. Apply a good amount of water-based or silicone-based lube on the shaft. Get into a comfy position and gently insert it. Move it back and forth, letting the curved design glide and stimulate your sensitive spots. Now, if you're looking for something a little more on the kinky side, this next sex toy is definitely going to be an instant hit. If you're into impact play, the Tough Love Studded Heart Paddle is a love toy worth adding to your collection. For those who might be new for impact play, it's a BDSM activity, where one partner or the dominant delivers controlled strikes to the submissive body using their hand or a toy, like this paddle for sexual pleasure or even stress relief. Going back to the Tough Love Studded Heart-Shaped Paddle, this one is made with artificial leather. It's 32 centimeters long and has a special heart cutout design that can leave heart-shaped marks as you strike your partner. To use it, you and your partner should decide which areas to target and how intense the strike should be. Make sure to have a full and open discussion beforehand, including the expectations and boundaries. As mentioned earlier, impact play involves striking, but you should always be mindful of where you hit. A good rule to follow: the thicker or fleshier the area, the better, since those spots offer more natural padding and protection. Some of the safest and most pleasurable zones for impact play include the buttocks, thighs, and breasts. So that ends our heart-shaped love toys guide. If you're still watching, thank you for joining me in this new series. I hope you had fun and found a toy or two that caught your eye. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe so you won't miss out more on the love toy recommendations and guides. We've also got tons of other educational videos already up on the channel. So feel free to click around and explore and see what else might catch your interest. As always, all the toys featured in this video are available on our website. Check the description box below for all the links and more info. I'll see you in the next video. Love, love mga labis. Bye!